Welcome fans to the show here on Monster Truck Classics, where I'm going to be unboxing the double pack of Megalodon vs. Hooked Monster Truck. And this is coming from Series 28 of the double packs. And I picked this up at Target. Now the price is $9.99 at Target. So let's go ahead and see the back of the card. On the back of the card, let's go over here to the right-hand side. We have Sparkle Smash versus Sparkle Smash, where the other Sparkle Smash is just a regular pickup truck. And then there is the original look of Sparkle Smash up above. And then there's Gravedigger, the Ghost Gravedigger, looks like in just a regular Max D. And then Lumberjack and Axe. Very cool two trucks there. And so let's go ahead and unbox Hooked and Megalodon. First off, let's start off with Hooked. Our first look of this truck in the die-cast form, never been released before. We get the name of the truck on the side, and then a fish coming out of the water. I forget what they call that kind of a fish. And there's a boat back there on the sea. And the Monster Jam logo. We get the tail lights in the back. Says Hooked Monster Truck on the tailgate. And then the wrap even goes up here. Nice color detailing of the wrap and the name of the truck and everything, pretty well done. I would like to see if they could come with the Monster Jam logo, the upside down triangle, to have a little bit more color to it. That would be nice. Coming to the front, the wrap of the grille and the headlights in the front on the hood now. Very nice, different color blues and everything. And then on the roof, it says Hooked. No white lettering, of course, you can see on the tires, and some gray wheels. And roll cage is black. Chassis is about a gray. So let's go on to Megalodon. Now, Megalodon, just a regular body for Megalodon, and a different wheels, almost like see-through for the wheels. Also, the roll cage for Megalodon almost looks like see-through as well. It's probably not just how it's coming out. And the chassis is a blue, just regular blue chassis to it. So it looks really good. The different colors going along with the shock being in the ocean with ocean colors and everything. So yeah, it's a pretty nice variation of the chassis, the roll cage, and the different colors of the wheels and tires for Megalodon. I enjoyed having Hook, so thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.